we're going to move now. Thank you.
We had the retirees of the AFL-CIO and another group, Senior Voice, which includes people from the community, who came up with the idea. Actually, it was John Gallo, a member of both organizations, who came up with this wonderful idea to do an action with the occupiers, and in the process also get to know the occupiers, have a meal together.
What we really wanted to do was share some experiences generation to generation.
I guess, it's hard to say this, people who are not occupying really appreciate what you're doing.
I started out back in the 60s in the voter registration in Canton, Mississippi.
Well, I'm a veteran of World War II.
I'm one of the first women that went to Washington to try to pass the Equal Rights Amendment.
Watching TV one day, and I saw where they were putting the dogs on the people in Alabama. That's what changed me and made me want to get involved.
And this person told her to tell her mother not to expect her father home for dinner. He might not make it home. They were going to go, and I forget what the demonstration was, but they might all be arrested.
You guys I'm impressed by the organization, how you decide who's going to get arrested or not, and how you're going to do the encampment. I was in Chicago in '68, and we didn't do any of that. We just all got arrested. We all made a lot of noise, kicked down things, got hit in the head.
We want to make sure that your movement is supported and it keeps going, because it's the best thing that's happened to us for many years, I think. So, tell us what you need from us.
For those of us from the older generation, you really are an inspiration to us, and as Harriet said, anything we can possibly do to assist you, please let us know.
I'd be proud to go to combat with any of you.